Okay. Just want to check up how many people are healers out over here. You can just mention in the chat box, or you can just unmute and talk to yourself.
I'm a Reiki healer.
Wow, very good. Okay.
I'm a Reiki healer, sir.
Okay. Wow. You guys can unmute yourself also. That's not an issue. Okay.
I'm Reiki. I'm
Wow.
Reiki healer, Qualified Reiki healer, and magnified healer.
Oh, wow. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Are you guys aware of, I'm sorry, are you ladies and gentlemen, are you are you aware of Batch Flower, or is this the first time you're attending?
First time attending, sir.
Sir, first time attending.
Okay. Wow. Very good.
I am also, sir, a Reiki healer, Lama Fera healer.
Wow. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, what is Batch Flower? Of course, see, today I will not go deep into technical because since you guys are first time thing, I'll just give some basics and what is Batch Flower, how to use Batch Flower for your customers, etc. etc. Now, before starting, what is Batch Flower? I'm sure everyone would have seen the notes. Batch Flower
Yeah.
are basically medicines for emotions. Now, before just starting this, what are the basic problems which any human being has? I always categorize into 5 problems: love, relationship, money, health, legal. Any other problems which are there are sub branches of all this. Now, whenever a person undergoing all these problems, they would encounter multiple issues. It can be specifically fear. It can be lack of confidence. Whenever you encounter all these problems, for example, someone has gone through a relationship issues, he encounters depression, he encounters lack of confidence. Typically, what the underlying message out over here is, whatever problems you are having, okay, the exact immediate reaction to that is again multiple problems, which includes a person that has a phobia. He goes bonkers. He becomes angry at times. So these are some of the emotional problems which everyone undergoes. And anyone, why do they undergo all these problems? Can anyone tell us why do they undergo all these problems? I'm sorry, I'm going through the basics so that then you'll understand this Batch Flower, because Batch Flower is more of a technical stuff. But yes, your basics needs to be extremely clear. That's the reason I'm taking some basics. Anyone, why do people undergo emotional issues? Tejashi ma'am?
Yeah, sir. Because,
Lack of confidence.
Correct. But why? Why?
they take the
जो
matter
emotions
seriously, sir.
हमारे
Sorry.
They
Please
take
tell.
the matter seriously.
Sorry, ma'am.
They take the matter seriously, emotionally, that it is hurting them. So they keep in their mind always. They never remove it.
Perfect. They are always rethinking of these things. But why do these things occur?
Confidence is not there.
Correct. Confidence is not there. But then, of course, emotions, people keep thinking about themselves, multiple XYZ things. These are all emotional problems which every human being would be having. And when you're a human being, when you're a man, you need to have all these problems rather than these are the emotional problems. Now, whenever you have issues like headaches or running nose or heart attack and all these things, these are subset of these emotional problems. Look at any major issues. Let's imagine heart attack. Why do people get heart attack?
सर इमोशंस हार्ट में ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं
Perfect.
और वो हाँ जी, वो ब्लॉकेजेस ही हार्ट अटैक के फॉर्म में हमें पता चलते हैं.
Perfect. Why do people get paralysis. किसी का पैरालाइज हो जाता है. Why do they get paralysis? Anyone who?
ये माइंड का ब्लॉकेज है सर.
Yes.
नर्व का ब्लॉकेज है.
Absolutely. So again, it's an emotional problem. Heart attack again an emotional problem. Okay. Again, people do get depression. Okay. Then again, it's an emotional problem. Okay. I'm sorry, ladies, but let me be very frank. There are a lot of menstrual issues. Again, why do ladies get menstrual issues? What is the root cause? Again, it can be purely because of emotional issues. So look at any problems. Yeah, because you. Okay, Lakshmi ma'am has also come. Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, hi. Are you there? Okay.
सर लेडीज अपनी प्रॉब्लम खुल के नहीं बता पाती है, इसलिए उनको ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं.
Exactly. यो क्या होता है? What is that problem all about? आपने सही बोला. What you said is right. Problem नहीं बता पा रहे हैं. Why are they not able to tell their problems?
एंड सेल्फ लव की भी कमी होती है सर.
Perfect. एक तो मैम जो प्रॉब्लम बता नहीं पाती है बिकॉज वो किसी ना किसी जगह पे उनको फियर रहता है और उनको लगता है बॉस ये चीज सब लोग के सामने डिस्कस करूंगा तो मेरा इंसल्ट होएगा. People start taunting them. So all these things are basically result of emotional problems. So you as a healer, yeah ma'am, बताइए. हाँ. So any problem मेरे को बताइए which is again not because of course except accidents. Even अगर accident में अगर आप देखेंगे कोई अगर इमोशन में आके प्रॉपर्ली ड्राइव करता नहीं रहेगा, सम किधर ना किधर कुछ इमोशन की वजह से होता रहेगा. यू मे नॉट बी ड्राइविंग प्रॉपर्ली, आगे वाला आपको आके टोकता है और ही मे एनकाउंटर यू. ओके, अगेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स. कैन यू पीपल टेल मी एनी डिसीज which again doesn't have any emotional problem? Can you just tell me what are the different type of diseases where people has brain tumor, again ulcers? They are all result of emotional issues. Can anyone tell me any issues which is not caused because of emotions? Okay, meanwhile I am a director, Lakshmi madam. Lakshmi ma'am, please welcome. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, all of you.
Yeah, Lakshmi
very
ma'am is
happy
also one of the founder of ANT Occult Sense. We also have Krinati, but of course Krinati is not joining today because of Janmashtami. So
I would
anyone
also
here?
like to
Yeah, ma'am.
thank. I would also like to thank Acharya Swamiji to be with
Swamiji,
us here.
can you come on the video, Swamiji, please? Just to show your this thing, please, to everyone.
Yes, I'm sorry. Now, since we are in Chaturmasya Vrata Sankalpa Diksha period,
Okay.
we are
Okay.
not to, even attend this sort of thing, but still, since
Okay.
I just had mastered all these subjects some 25 years back,
Wow.
I'm 77-year-old, a dental surgeon, as well as 15 alternate system of medicine diplomas I have in the naturopathy. I mean, if I'm to tell all those things, this session will be over.
Okay.
I don't want to disturb you.
Okay.
And let me tell you, the root cause for all these, alternate system of medicine, there are 158 systems like allopathy, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, like that, naturopathy and all. 158 systems God has given to mankind, out of which this Bach flower remedy is one, which has been founded by Dr. Edward Bach. Then he has been abandoned by all the doctors. He was an allopathy doctor like me. He has been abandoned,
Right.
and has been fixed. His date of death has been fixed already. Finally, he went into a woods, namely a forest-like thing. Woods means, you must be knowing, a garden-like
Yes,
thing.
thick
Flower
forest.
garden. Yeah, thick forest and flower garden. At that time, though he has actually abandoned his private practice and went into that woods. And you will not believe, all the flowers started greeting him as if he felt, that he is being greeted by all the flowers. He went up to those flowers in each and every tree and smelt it. By the smelling of that flower, He has been completely cured. Though his lifetime has been fixed already by other doctors, he has recovered within no time. Then he has, God has given him such a thought that he should analyze all these things, with the flowers, as to how he has been saved by the very smell of the flower. Thereby, it has resulted in taking the essence of such flowers, 30 plus 1, 38, remedies have been created by him, which have been made available. And there are several books on that, which I have procured about 25 years back. Still, it is there in my library. But on the contrary, what I mean to tell you is the root cause for all the diseases under the sun for the mankind is only karma, nothing but theory of fate. We are actually governed by predestined factors. People just now, Mr. Kalyan Raman, I believe, he had asked, as to what is the reason for the stress or emotional disturbance and all. Several people were telling that the reason as this, that, and all. It's all superficial. The root cause is nothing but we are being governed by Panchabhutas and Ashtadik Palakas, Navagrahas, Mukoti families of Devatas, and whatnot. Thereby, we are actually governed by predestined factors, predetermined factors, preordained factors. I don't want to give you a lecture when you two are available to make it, a very grand success for the course, which I really humbly feel that you are doing a noble service. By this is nothing but a noble system of medicine, alternative system of medicine, which each and every one, all the fortunate people alone will be brought into our forum. So I wish you good luck. Take care, and I don't want to take much of your valuable time. Otherwise, it will result in a very big discussion and for the session to be over. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are blessed to have you.
We are blessed to have
Thank
you.
you so much.
Jai Shrimanarayana. Thank you.
Jai Shrimanarayan.
Okay. So what we discussed out over here is any issues, any major disease, the root cause of that is emotions. Be it an heart attack, be it an injury, be it a depression, be it again your ulcers, your stomach issues, running nose, fevers, XYZ. It's, if you look at the entire stuff, the basic thing is emotions. So now, instead of one second, this yeah. So what we are doing is Bach flower is basically medicines for emotions. So if you can control that emotion and you balance that emotion is what is Bach flower. And as rightly Swamiji said, Dr. Edward Bach developed this. Okay, he was a general practitioner. He could make out that a lot of people are having all these issues just because of emotions. And with that, he did a survey. There were a lot of flowers, okay, which were again planted, and these stem from Greater Britain and other areas. So he used those flowers, did an research, and came out with remedy for 38 stuff. Now, this is typically in basics what a Bach flower is. Any doubts on this? Because once you have some doubts on this, then only we can go ahead with the other stuff. Any doubts?
No.
Okay.
No, sir. All
Great. Now, I'll ask you one question. Whenever you go to a doctor, let's imagine you are having stomach ache, okay, or ulcer problem. So what do doctor ask you? Anyone? What do the doctor ask you?
symptoms.
Correct.
As for me, symptoms.
So they will of course ask you the case study. They will ask you multiple things. Let's imagine someone has acne issues. Okay. So typically, but acne issues. So first thing, if it's a lady, they will ask, the doctors will ask you from how long it is there. Okay. Is your menstrual cycle okay? So they would typically diagnose those problems by asking questions. And by asking questions, they will find out where the disorder is. So once you know what is the disorder, then they would actually find out what are the emotional problems you have. So these guys come with the medicines to balance those emotions. That is what Bach flower also does. Let's imagine someone has failed an SSC exam. After some time, he becomes depressed. Then he starts getting all those problems. So that person goes to a doctor Then obviously doctor will ask you what happened, tell me the history. So history is to just find out what are the problems and how did you get it. So batch flower is a beautiful system wherein we are trying to cure the emotions, balance the emotions, thereby you get the right results. So this is exactly what batch flower is. Batch flower is. Dr. Edward has found out or discovered 38 remedies out of here. There are some 38 to 40 problems, out of which every problem has some sort of remedy for it. So this is the basic underlying of batch flower. Now, what are these? Okay, I'm sure everyone is a mother here. Everyone is typically, can you just explain me some of the common problems which everyone would be having? Roshni ji? Some common problems which everyone has.
Fear.
Very
Yeah.
good. Okay,
Okay, physical, if you see, then the cuff is there.
correct. Yes, the cuff is
That
because
was-
of, again, in terms of emotions. Yes, fear, as
Yeah.
someone said, fear is
Yes,
the first and foremost which has to be cured.
And,
Then,
Emotional, so
Migraine.
lack of confidence.
yes,
Many
lack
people
of
have
confidence.
that.
Absolutely, yes.
Allergies.
Allergy, again, allergy is why, because of some emotional issues. Sometimes people get allergy thinking that they have some allergic problems, although again it's a mindset and they start getting allergies. Some of the other common problems are your child is
Hypertension.
sorry, hypertension. Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Depression,
Yes,
Stress.
depression, perfect. Yes, perfectly
Anxiety.
said.
anxiety.
Anxiety, yes, absolutely. Some people are overconfident. Some people are self-centered and they don't even listen to others. Some people are they fear of some known things, and there are also fear which are of unknown. Unknown, yes. There are sometimes you will lose your soulmate. Okay, once you lose your soulmate, of course, you treat for that particular. When you lose your soulmate, you again get depressed. You are completely thrashed. And again, loneliness. Sometimes people get some issues because of loneliness. Any other issues? Mood swings. Yes, perfect.
A bit louder, please.
Mood swings.
A bit
Mood
louder.
swings. Okay, some issues are you are wanting to take a task. Let's imagine you're taking a new job and you're not confident. So you start getting scared. There again, you develop some phobia, feeling discouraged. Again, impatience. Okay, impatience is also an emotional disorder, by the way. Impatience.
Feeling, like blamed also, you can say that.
Yes. Then of course people don't get sleep. Now again, why do they do? Why don't they get sleep? Is again, and when we trace back, it might be because of any emotional disorders. Any
Can I
other?
say a few words here?
Sorry, please be louder.
Can I say a few words here?
Yeah, please, ma'am. It's all yours. Yes.
Yeah, because it is connected with so many things like these demons. We call these as demons, our
Yeah.
inner demons,
Yeah.
right? Okay, here, see what happens when these anger, hatred, jealousy, and all these, etc., all these, when we carry, we get hurt, right? When we get hurt, what happens? Blocked emotions takes place within. Blockages, you would have heard, right? When the blocked emotions takes place, what happens? It affects the organs of the body. First thing, before understanding the batch flower, you have to understand this concept. That is why I took over from Ganesh. Okay, so here, emotions are a very serious
थोड़ी देर
thing.
में पहले तो
Like-
सूप पी लो मैं।
Somebody is talking in between. Can you please mute yourself? Whoever it is.
Yeah. I'll mute it. I'll mute it. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Continue, ma'am. Yeah.
So these emotions, you know, gets converted into blocked emotions, and it gets blocked within our body. And this, what it creates, it damages the organs of the body. So ultimate thing is it damages the organs of the body. So here, what we have to understand here is you have to remove that emotions. You have to concentrate on eliminating those emotions. I hope everybody got what I'm saying, right? Before understanding the batch flower, first you concentrate on eliminating the emotions. And first, and before that, understand what the emotions are. Which sort of emotions you're going, which sort of emotions, how it is connected. So accordingly, you can choose the exact remedy then. Right? Okay, Ganesh, you take over now.
Yeah. Okay. So, as ma'am said, as Lakshmi ma'am said, the basic root cause of any issues are emotions. Now, in batch cover, what we do is we typically identify these emotional issues and then treat them with some extracts. Now, it's typically, let's imagine if you're having some fear of fear which you're unknown. Okay, so you have some XYZ extracts. Now, what are extracts? Extracts are nothing but plants and other herbs which grows. So we take extract from that, make some medicines, and then yes, there is a process of making this particular batch flower remedy. That also I'll explain you. But before that, my idea was to start out and tell you what are the basic steps. So basic steps is very, very clear now. Since you guys are all doing batch flower for the first time, okay, except Swamiji. So these are nothing but getting a balance on how to balance your emotions. Using these medicines, you can actually balance those emotions and ensure that the person is free from all these emotions and free from multiple diseases. So any doubt out over here? Because if you don't understand this, you will not be able to understand how does the batch flower remedy work.
Apply the
Any doubts?
गाढ़ा थोड़ा सूप अच्छा लगा।
I have seen, excuse me,
one sec,
everybody, I have seen Mr.
Lakshmi
Ramlal.
ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, please unmute yourself. Lakshmi ma'am, unmute here. Yeah.
No, I just found that Mr. Ramlal and Abhi Shobha ji ne, she has
मैंने
muted
म्यूट कर दिया मैंने म्यूट कर दिया
हाँ, because it was getting disturbed. Like, okay,
Yeah.
fine, continue, please.
Okay, so again reiterating final time, it's all you are controlling the emotions, you're balancing the emotions. Now there are some of course I will not go technical today because you guys are not that technical. I will just basically explain you what are the simple 38 remedies and why it is being used. Next class I'll go deep technical. I'm just sharing you some documents. Okay. Everyone can see this?
I think you should थोड़ा बड़ा कर लो ना,
Okay.
non-readable it is. If possible.
सर जूम करने से हो जाता है, नो इश्यू, दिखाई दे रहा है, हम स्क्रीन को जूम कर रहे हैं ना तो दिख रहा है, नो वरीज।
Okay, okay, fine,
Okay,
fine.
Dr. Radhika. Okay. Okay. Now, all the emotional issues are divided into multiple parts. The first one is remedies for fear. Now, what are the different fears which you can develop? The first thing is to treat fear which is of known thing that you can name. किसी को fear रहता है एग्जाम लिखने के लिए fear रहता है, किसी को स्विमिंग पूल से ऊपर जंप करने से fear रहता है. So these are some of the fears which you can have, which is of fear for the known things. Of course, this is cured by Mimulus. Mimulus क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. It's a plant extract. मैं ज्यादा technical ये सेक्शन में नहीं जाऊंगा. because it may not understand. So today I will explain you basically all the basic types of emotional issues which one undergoes. First issue is of course fear. Fear में there are some subcategories. Fear क्या क्या होता है? एक तो fear है which you know, the fear of known things. As I said, it can be anything. Second thing is to treat terror. Now, what is terror? Sometimes you may encounter some sort of अगर आप पिक्चर देख रहे हो, okay, suddenly आपको fear जैसा आ जाता है. Okay, that is again to treat terror. Third thing, fear of unknown things. There are a lot of fear which are unknown. For example, suddenly bomb गिरता है, that is also unknown. We all are knowing right now कि अफगानिस्तान में क्या हो रहा है, तो उधर हम लोग को ऐसा डर लगता है बॉस अफगानिस्तान में बॉम्ब हो गया तो इधर क्या होने वाला है. So how to treat that? So when you start taking those fear, again your body doesn't take it and you start getting up multiple problems. So इसको हम लोग करते हैं. Okay, the other most important thing is fear of losing your own reason. This is also one of the important fear which you encounter. And of course there is also हमेशा ये fear तो इंडिया में बहुत कॉमन है. मेरा बीबी को क्या होएगा, मेरा बच्चे को क्या होएगा, ओके मेरा बच्चा अभी आउट ऑफ इंडिया जा रहा है पढ़ने के लिए, उसको क्या होएगा. So that is the fear that something will happen to your loved ones. So this is basically first set of fear which everyone would probably undergo. These are the emotional issues which we undergo. And of course हर emotional issues के लिए we equate them with proper extracts. First one के लिए Mimulus, Rose Rock, Aspen, Cherry Plum, Red Chestnut. Yeah, of course you can refer the notes and also take the technical thing in the next class, because technically भी पूरा बताऊंगा तो you may not be able to understand. So again, we have covered the first set, which is remedies for fear. A simple example, someone dies, आपका loved one मर जाता है, that is also again fear. Okay, you tend to बच्चे लोग में ही होता है. Okay, स्कूल में जाता है, okay, टीचर उसको डांटते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे वो टीचर को फेस करने के लिए वो भी फियर होता है. एंड आजकल बच्चे लोग फादर कभी कभी गुस्सा होता है तो फादर को फेस करने के लिए फियर होता है. तो ये फियर की वजह से काफी इमोशनल इश्यूज होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डू हियर इज, ये फियर को हम लोग ने कैटेगराइज किया है हम लोग 5 इसमें. तो वो फियर जान के हम लोग we are giving an extract for it, which is Mimulus, Rose Rock, which of course I'll explain them in the next chapter. So this is what is all about fear. Any doubts on fear? Any other types of fear which you can tell? Hello?
हेलो
हेलो, हाँ जी, नेटवर्क इशू हो गया मेरी.